Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your speaker Philips EverPlay. And on all controls located on the right side of your speaker. Right here we have it. So what we have here, we have power button. With this button we can turn off and turn on the speaker. So just press and hold it. I just turn off it, there is no LED light, and to turn on it also press and hold this power button. Next we have a Bluetooth button. With Bluetooth button we can enter to pairing mode by press and hold on it for at least like 2 seconds until this LED light start blinking blue. Or we can clear Bluetooth pairing list, but I will show it to you later. Now let's move to volume control buttons, and right here we have a plus button to volume up the music or a movie, and the minus button to volume down. Now let me play some video. You can press one time, so you can press on it, or you can press and hold this button and you will increase the volume. And as I said, you can press the minus button or press and hold and you will lower the volume. Next we have play pause button, and with play pause button you can play or pause the song by pressing one time at this button. I just pause it, press again, and I play the song. Or you can play next track or next video if you press 2 times at this button. 1, 2. And as you can see, it works. Now, we can also with these controls perform a factory reset, and let's start it with a factory reset. To do this, you need to press and hold at the power button and volume up button at the same time. And I recommend it to go to the settings and to the Bluetooth and check, so you need to hold it until it disconnected from your phone. So press and hold it. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices, and it also means that it's disconnected from your phone. And after that, you just press and hold at the power button, and it should reconnect automatically to your phone, but sometimes it happened that you don't want to, so then you just tap on it at the device list. And then we have Bluetooth pairing, clear Bluetooth pairing list. So you need to press and hold Bluetooth button for at least 10 seconds. Press and hold. And now we should hear a sound prompt. Here we go, now we just did it. And then you need to remove the speaker from your phone and then add it again. So at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your speaker. Then forget this device and forget device. If you have Android, you need to click pair new device at the top. And if you have iPhone, you can just go back from the Bluetooth and then return to the Bluetooth, or just turn off and turn on your Bluetooth. It's up to you. For on iOS 26 right now, it doesn't work to return, just return to the main menu and then return to the Bluetooth. It only works to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, so maybe when you look in this video they fix this problem. After that you need to tap at your device at the device list, and we have connection, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!